ona thengia wa ngari ici gukorwo iri gitegerwo kia uboco kuri family nyingi mihang'o thiini wa tauni ya Naikuru ironekana kurituha thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru kuruta mukana wa ngari ici gweterera athii barabara-ini ya Kenyatta Avenue na iria iri gatagati ga tauni ino.
We have been taken back to the age of the dark ages. We are not given any law. People just wake up and decide to do what they think to them is good.
Ni itua onjoria ya marauga matakuruhanirio hari ukinyaniria wario makiongerera kuga gutirirwo na rimwe mari mamukira ria kumatariria gitumi kiao kuhamurithio.
We've asked for meetings with them several times and they failed to respond. We did a letter. They did not respond. We've sent our representative. What they've been telling us is that they're deliberating on the issue.
Ndugamano eno ni guciriria atongoria kiuteti kuma kaunti ya Naikuru na aria moeteka mweke kau gukirira thirikari ya Naikuru.
Sioni kwa sababu gani kaunti iweze kukaa chini na ikubaliane na muongee mambo haya, muangalie kuna namna gani. And again, Senator, when you are saying you want to create job for youth, this is a problem we have in the country.
It is abuse of power, it is impunity, and it is corruption. So when we are walking around talking about there should be no corruption in this country, that is corruption.
Digital taxi operators are the solution of the transport in this town, not putting permanent stages right at the heart of town.
Riu ene kambuni ici ni metetie giikaro na utongoria wa thirikari ya kaunti ino niguo kuhorohia ndugamano eno. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa riakwa no wa Ng'ombe wa Maina.